Hey guys, Miss Dalton again. I just realized something. Thank you, Mezzy, for bringing that to my attention. That if you are logging into Canvas and you are not seeing your classes like I showed you in the video earlier, you probably need to change a setting, and I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So I'm going to log in as my fake student account real quick. I'm going to show you what it may look like and how to change it so that it will look easier for you and you can see all of your classes, okay? So let me log in. Okay, so if you get to Canvas and your screen kind of looks like this, it says dashboard and then it kind of has this calendar of stuff or whatever, and you scroll down, it says nothing planned yet. And then down here at the bottom are all these assignments. It looks kind of wonky, and you can see that it's my class right here and it looks weird. So if you would go back to the top, see these little three dots up here? Click on those three dots and click on Card View, and it shows you all of your classes, okay? Now the other thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that all of your courses are showing up on your dashboard. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to Courses and click on All Courses, and oh darn, it doesn't show more courses because I only set myself up on this. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me log into my teacher account real quick and I'll show you what you're gonna see in just a second, okay? Okay, I'm logged into my teacher account so that you can see what I'm about to show you and with more classes. So if you go to the left-hand side and you click on Courses and you click on All Courses, it'll show you all of your classes listed in order right here. All of your current ones are on top, and then down below it'll say past enrollments. But here's what I need you to do. I need you to find all of your classes for this year. For instance, I'm going to click on all of my classes, and I'm going to click on this little star, and that means it's going to be like one of my favorite classes, and it's going to show up on my dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to click on my 6th grade, my 7th grade, my 8th grade, and my Pride, so that when I go back to my dashboard, all of them are going to show up. See? And if I click on this and go to the list view again, it looks wonky. So if you are seeing this wonky page when you first log in, just go up to the three little dots and change it to Card View. And then again, go over to your Courses, All Courses, and then put a little star or click on the star of all of your classes that you have right now so that you can see them all on your dashboard, okay? All right, so if your screen doesn't look like this, I just showed you how to make it look like this. Okay, again, sorry with the ums. Email me or message me in Canvas if you have any issues. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.